Okay, we're trying this product called Waterdrops. It's from this company. I've tried their products before, and I should have realized I'm not going to like the taste. It says hydration on it, but it's got some things in it, but it's got no sodium, which strikes me as very odd. Usually, when you have hydration drinks, they have sodium because it's one of the things because you sweat so much of sodium out of your body. So here's this little sample pack. You drop it in, and it actually effervesces. So this hard block is going to take a couple minutes to dissolve. You can see there the fizz. Fizz, fizz, fizz. What a relief it is. And you can see it has a slight pink tinge. And so now the only thing left is trying it. And I don't like it. I don't like it at all. It reminds me of the taste. It must be the same sort of thing from them. I got these little packets you put in water. And to me, it's just this oddly flavored water. And I don't like it at all. Sort of yucky. Here's some of the ingredients if you want to stop it and look.